In order to add admin to your Facebook page using your Android device, you have to first install the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Launch the application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now after that, switch your account to your page and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and go to Settings. From here, again scroll down and click on Page Setup. From these various options available, tap on Page Status option that is below the Page Management History. And once you do that, scroll all the way down and drag your attention to More About Your Page section. Tap on Manage Admins. Tap on Add New that is highlighted in blue color and add a person to page or similar. And add a person to a page. Enter their name or email address and they must be your Facebook friend. And after that, choose admin from the list of roles and enter your password to complete the process. The person will receive an invitation to become an admin on your page. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.